Take this in the morning and burn calories throughout the day. It's incredible. The diet is reflected directly on health, but having good health does not necessarily follow a strict diet. If you want to improve health and well-being in general, cleanse the liver, improve digestive functions and above all, lose weight. If you are overweight, this is how your day should start. The morning routine of drinking lukewarm water with lemon and apple vinegar on the fast will make miracles for both your health and your weight. The health benefits of lemon are innumerable. This citrus is a natural antioxidant with antiviral and antimicrobial properties. It is abundant in vitamin C, B vitamins, magnesium, calcium, potassium and iron. Although acidic in nature, lemon promotes an alkaline environment in the body. Apple vinegar is one of the most multifunctional ingredients in the kitchen, used as a supplement or as a natural remedy for many health-related problems. Similar to lemon, this vinegar is rich in antibacterial and antiviral properties, owing to the various minerals it contains. And, like lemon, it also has alkaline properties, which make it extremely beneficial to regulate blood sugar and to reduce blood pressure and cholesterol. Morning drink of apple cider vinegar and lemon. 1. Mix the juice of half a lemon with 1 or 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar in a cup. 2. Fill the cup with purified warm water. Warm water is better than cold water because it is absorbed better in the intestines. 3. Drink early in the morning, fasting. If you find that the taste is more acidic than you can handle, add a teaspoon of organic honey to sweeten it.